welcome to Automation Partners AI. On the previous video, we saw how to set up the Gemini API keys. We are extremely sorry we wasn't able to show you like working and create real keys because of we don't have any dummy account extra, but it's also about the securities. But we make on helps if you go to the help sections, you will see those blogs were explained with a screenshot, and all this in detail will make you way more easier, and the previous video will give you more better understanding. You doesn't need to get any troubles. I mean, it's quite easy. Even if you're first time with Google Cloud Console, it will be very easy for you to set up the billings and get the API keys. It's way more good a tutorial for you and help blog. So now we are gonna go with Gemini API key, which is way more easier, and you don't need to do such things. One thing you have to remember: the same Gmail that you use to do the Google Cloud Console and projects and add the billings and add the API keys over here, the same mails under the Gemini AI API keys you need to get. Which means if you have max@gmail.com in Google Cloud Console, and from there you got the API keys, then same max@google.coms, you need to go AI Google Studio, Google AI Studio, and from there you can create a API key. You can get a API keys over there, create an API keys, and then name it, and you get a test, and you need to select the same Google Cloud Console, create an API keys, and you will see the keys and paste over here, okay, and update, and you're done. It's quite easy, quite super easy. And then after setting up all these sections, you're ready to go and start using. Have a great day and stay safe.